Yep. What's over here?
We'll go there later when it's not clouded.
Okay.
Do it one more time.
What are you thinking? Oh. Whoa, look at the size of the tree.
I can tell.
It's the Avatar tree.
I can tell.
I think, or it's that humongous tree from Tree of Life.
I don't know what time. I'll have to look. They do a Tree of Life celebration that like the tree lights up and stuff.
Oh, cool. You can see animals carved into the tree. If you look real hard.
So the Tree of Life is like the castle at Magic Kingdom. It's in the middle of the park.
I see an alligator, I see a snake, I see bugs, I see a seahorse, I see a bird.
Oh, now I see it.
Yeah.
I thought you meant lost.
What? What do you see?
It kind of looks like.
Oh.
I see a lizard. I see a snake. Oh, my magic band is vibrating.
You vibrating? Huh. Must be something to do. Oh, yeah. Bambi! You're right, it does. Look, it's Bambi and Thumper.
Okay, mine stopped. I didn't get my keyboard. Okay, Africa's that way. I thought we were like.
How you gonna go up?
The maps always make it.
Hey, Abby. I need to stop for a second and get this sweatshirt off or I'm gonna pass out. No, I am. Do you hear me? But I can't, man. I'm not joking.